Hey, what's up everybody? This is a new YouTube channel. My name is Robert, I'm 26 years old and I run a small car workshop in the middle east of Sweden. I've been running this company for 9 years. I've been doing this whole workshop thing for the past 3.5 years. It's been going really well, thanks to the customers, but I've still gotten a bit bored of what I do. Even though my days are packed, I've still gotten a bit bored, so I want to do a new thing, and that is you guys, and that is YouTube. I've been thinking about doing this for a long time. I haven't been really sure what to vlog or what to post. I've been thinking about vlogging my life outside of this, but it isn't that interesting, and there's a lot of people that already does it, so I'll leave that to them, and then I'll focus on what I do best. And what I do best is fixing cars. Fixing cars mostly around the 10-year-old mark, some newer, some older. I'm trying to break the meta on YouTube with just GTRs and Lambos and Bugattis, so you're gonna have to see normal cars that we drive here in Sweden every day. What you're going to see is me doing everyday repairs on those cars, such as brakes and clutches and timing belt changes and services and oil changes and tires and stuff like that. I also like to hang along on some road trips where we go to the scrapyard or to the town picking up parts, and I can talk to you more about who I am and how I became the one I am today running this company. This whole concept, this whole thing is going to be time-lapse. I know it's been done a lot, but I still think it's the best way of me showing you what I do during my long working hours, but in a short period of time. And also, of course, with some nice music and some breaks, with me talking about more about what I did right, what I did wrong, some tips to know about repairing certain things on certain cars, and good things to know about. Also, as the summer comes up, I like to introduce you to my two race cars. I'm not that good of a race car driver, I warn you for that, but I'm more into building stuff. For example, building an engine and putting it in the car and making it work, make it powerful, and then yeah, that's one of the best feelings I know, and that's my whole go-to thing in this whole race car hobby. Also, I'm going to take you on some different racetracks here in Sweden, and then you can watch me handle myself on a racetrack. That's an interesting experience, I promise you that. And yeah, this is a workshop where they come through a lot of brands, a lot of car brands, and a lot of tool brands, and a lot of parts brands. And if any of it is connected with in any way of an affiliate or a sponsor, it's going to be clearly mentioned in the video and in the description, so you know that. My goals with this whole thing is, of course, the experience to stand in front of a camera talking to a lens and talking English, which is not my native language, which you can tell. And I like to see everything in life as a challenge. I saw it as a challenge to run this whole company up from absolutely zero into what it is now with this rating. And I like to see the same thing with this YouTube, and with the help of you guys building it into something successful. And yeah, so after this introduction is done, I'm going to post a small example of what I have been doing the last few days, all in time-lapse. And I'd like for you to go down to the comment section and comment what you would like to see in the future on this channel, so you can help me make the content of what you would like to see. I know a lot of you guys out there is going to want to see tutorials. I'm not that good at making tutorials. I'm known for expecting people to know more about stuff than they actually do, so that makes me kind of a bad person in making tutorials. But if it's a high demand, of course I'll make it work some way. And yeah, the most important thing, give me your input on what you would like to see. And if you'd like to be a part of what could be a successful journey, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. And yeah. Teddy, okay. And winging it isn't working either. And I've been f***ing off for 2 race cars, but I'm not f***ing up this video. Once again. Certain things, certain cars, not f***ing up this video.